I was curious what the term Mugu means to you, and how did Karmapa help you to understand or relate to it?
The Mugu in take the Rinpoche Chini Dr. Chabina, Tela, Rinpoche Chini, Mugu, so the Fanti, Kanda Christian and given us Sitik. Tini Kamaba Choki, Chirilia, the Mugus in the Kanda compel young ched the tongue, Tini Digi, Gate, Peleg Chedula, Kamabani, Kamabagi. Tunjor Kangrashik, which is top 9 in us.
Tunjor.
Mugus in the city, which is Chirila, the Tanda Christian us, that they call Domination, which is the Kamabagi, the Tandat, the Ser Rovatan, the Julie Jerry Chedulia, Kamabaki, Kare Nayanas, Tunjor Guguma.
Vasana, Lame Yundin, Tindravo, Malano Torosina, something never. Kuba Tela. Me no by the Maimba, Mille, Garwa, Lope, Sanjeto. Tayang didn't Yunding Sala Kubashi, young to Guzuta Komira in Ba, terms of the Tibarava, some today never. Tana Kuichin Biandela Kubashi. Guzuku Subtati, Lion Kubashi. Hanatin Shabzat, choosing us over in a young Tatipe. 早清楚，就天天写本画，印上。
看见了，现在。
写不的修订了说吧，咱俩也那样，我都不写不的，很多国没干，很多机关的，对上就说什么一把，太阳天天被，那什么样了，他们起来，起来不足头吧，这把讲头吧，你们不这把讲头吧，好呀，看那被，这这印上吧，我这这没有写语。이게 봐. 하나, 뭐야? 하나 배 다 접성적 보이나 야. 심지어 님은 저 장도 봐. 이 시기도 봐. 십자가서 보이나. 십자가도 되는서 보이나 야. 더 드리 뭐지 그래? 뭐지 유.
알았어. 생각했어. The term Mugu has two syllables. First one is no. No is to long for, to yearn for. And so this is to yearn for and long for the quality of the teacher, and to yearn and long for the insight and the knowledge of the Lama or the teacher. And as a result of the knowledge and with appreciation of the qualities and knowledge of the teacher, and you develop, or one is to develop genuine respect, and one sincerely wants to revere that individual. And the way we do is that once you have an appreciation of the qualities, knowledge, and the realization of such teacher, then you do not only respect the knowledge and the qualities of that teacher, that you respect the very physical being and physical presence of that teacher. For instance, you just don't say, oh yes, he's very knowledgeable, highly realized, but physically, he's just a human being. He's just has the same body as I have or any other individual, and you begin to respect even the very physical being and the presence of that teacher, and that the physical being is a source of blessing. It's a source of inspiration and the transmitting of some form of blessing and inspiration. And therefore, that one word, even respect and uphold not only the physical being, needless to say about the knowledge, but even the mat or the seat that a great teacher has sat on, even the shoes that a great teacher such as that worn, that these objects are capable of, or through these objects it is possible to receive the benefit of the inspiration and the blessings of the teacher, and that's what the term means, that yearning for the qualities and thereby having respect, and this is the way I also approach the understanding of Mugu or devotion.